Asia, Europe, America, and Africa. This is Remitano, a platform where you can make money. And Remitano is a crypto trading platform where you store your token, swap, sell, withdraw. It's recommended all over the world. Now, Remitano have introduced their own coin called RENEC. I will advise you to start mining RENEC now before it is too late. RENEC is currently going on Remitano app. It's a native token, as you can see. 973,000 people is mining currently, and 31 million plus RENEC has already been mined. Now, what are you waiting for? You can see my account. Currently, I have mined 254 RENEC. Now, when BNB was introduced by Binance, people commonize it. All-time high for BNB is $400 per coin. Now, this is another alternative for Remitano. Remitano is fast growing blockchain because they are doing massive program, different giveaway on their platform. That is why many people are ready to distribute, share, announce their platform to the world. You can also buy NFT, stake token, play game, and earn coin, all just for free. I will advise you to join now because it's still at your doorstep. Because this RENEC will soon be over to mine for free. I hope you enjoy this wonderful tutorial. I'm going to drop my referral link at the description box below for you to join and mine. Thank you. Share. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Remitano to the moon.